Iqale ngegi eliphezulu lenkulumo mpikiswano iAfrican National Congress.
We entered this debate with a clear conscience of providing detailed account of the route we have traversed since the last State of the Nation address, and to point out the new trajectory at the center of which is putting the interests of our people above anything else.
Kodwa ke iDA ikhale kakhulu ngezinga eliphezulu lobugebengu kulelizwe futhi ayizange izibone into enhle enganconywa ngalenkulumo kaMengameli eyibhekise ezweni.
How can we possibly feel safe when we are governed by a criminal syndicate that steals from the poor to give to the politically connected? A government run by a political party in which political killings have become standard operating procedure to climb the patronage ladder.
Umholi we-ACDP uphawule ngeinqumo ezithile ethinta ukumelana noKristu kanye nenkolo.
My family and I will, together with faithful members of the ACDP, never be part of this one world religion that will come with a new world order, that will be imposed on citizens of the world by agents of the Antichrist.
Uwilly Madisha uphawule kakhulu ngodaba oluthinta inkinga yogesi ekhona kulelizwe i-load shedding wathi lento yayingagwemeka.
The presidency, I'm referring to yourself and Mr. Zuma, was informed about the causes of load shedding by the SIU, which had been instructed to investigate. SIU report indicated that key causes were: 1, corruption. ESCOM employees made deals with coal suppliers and got kickbacks.
Umengameli wezwe kulindeleke ukuthi aphendule kusasa ngalenkulumo mpikiswano.